Let's learn Dizzy. It's choreographed by Jo Thompson Szymanski. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dizzy. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left and do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. You're now going to step forward with your left foot, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. Step forward with your left, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to return to 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, doing your rocking coaster step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you finish this second step half pivot, you want to make sure that your hips are slightly pointed to the right to go into section 2. Section 2, we're going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot to the right side, and then we're going to do a left sailor step, crossing our left behind our right foot out to the side, left foot out to the side. We're now going to repeat that cross-side sailor step to the left, crossing our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side, and then do your right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left foot to the side, right foot out to the side. So let's try that with some counts. We just came out of our half pivot. Weight is on your right foot, slightly pointed to the right. Your cross-side sailors to the right and the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to cross our left over our right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to shuffle back with your left, stepping left, back, right together, left, back. You're now going to rock back with your right foot, opening your body to the right, using this as a prep. We're going to go into a full turn. So we're going to recover onto our left foot. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to return to 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sailor step. You're going to do your cross, quarter back, back shuffle. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. You're going to do a step half pivot, stepping forward with your left. Do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to shuffle forward with your left, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward. And then you're going to step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just came out of our rock, recover, half, half. Weights on your left foot, you're facing 9 o'clock. You're going to do your shuffle forward. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your rock, coaster, step. Rock, recover, coaster, step. Step, half pivot, step, half pivot to the right, cross. Side, sailor, step to the left, cross. Side, sailor, step. Cross, quarter back, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, half, half, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, and you're ready to start over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your rocking coaster. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your rocking coaster. Rock, recover, coaster, step, step, half pivot to the right, cross. Side, sailor, step to the left, cross. Side, sailor, step, cross, quarter back, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half, half, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, coaster, step, step, half pivot step, half pivot, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, quarterback, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half, half, shuffle forward, half pivot, shuffle forward, half pivot, rock, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, where you dance, the song may be different. So for the tutorial, I use the original song Dizzy, but a lot of people do it to a bunch of different songs. My group likes to do it with Breathless by the Coors. Some people like to do it to Shut Up and Dance. So just know when you're learning Dizzy, it can go to a variety of songs, which makes it a really great classic. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Dizzy. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.